Hey guys, for those who are new to my channel, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful buttercream marble blended effect. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. So this is the final look, very simple to make. Basically, you're just going to choose two different colors that you're going to blend in together, and then you get that nice little effect, almost like a marble effect, but like blend in. And then simply top it with fresh flowers and meringue cookies. By the way, I'm gonna put in my description box down below the link for my buttercream recipe and also the meringue cookies, because I have so many questions about the meringue cookies and they're so simple to make and they're so yummy as well. So I'm gonna put that, and if you guys haven't seen it yet, also you can go ahead and have a look at my buttercream video that I have made, I think was a week and a half ago. So for the flowers, you can use synthetic or even fresh flowers. In my case, I use fresh flowers, and if you do so, make sure to just prepare your cake so that it's food safe. So either you insert a plastic straw inside your cake, or you can go ahead and then simply cover the stem with a floor tape, or you can simply cut the stem and then you get the top of the flower that you can place on your cake with buttercream or ganache or any other icing that you have, even whipped cream. So I know you guys are gonna ask me, can we do this effect with whipped cream? Yes. Can you do effect with Swiss meringue or Italian meringue buttercream? Yes. Oh yeah, also I have a little trick, because many of you have done it in the past, and when you guys see my the leaves that are golden and you guys ask me, are they synthetic or not? Actually, they're real. So a little trick that I have is I simply painted with metallic paint, and it stays on really nice, and it just gives that nice little like oomph to the flower. So that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did and you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.